Good morning. Welcome to the last day of corn harvest here on our farm in Southern Illinois. We have about 40 to 50 acres of creek bottom little fields to cut today, and we are done. All the wheat is in the ground, and so we're also done with that as long as no replant is needed. But grabbing a little bit of fuel just to get the combine through today. Fuel, then gonna shuffle some equipment home and then start shelling corn later this morning. So bring you along hopefully for this entire, fingers crossed, last day. So, don't be alarmed. I'm just on the road by our farm. I'm aware. As always, I forgot to take you along for snippets of my day. I'm terrible about grabbing the camera every time I go do something. So, since the last clip that I took, I have taken a truck to a field that we'll be at later, and then got back in the truck, a different semi, and went out to where we're combining right now, got a load from the grain cart, and now I'm on my way to the bins. So, these daily lives are never perfect because I get too busy working that I forget to record. So apologies for that, but heading to the bins, and maybe I'll remember to record the rest of my day. Enjoying a quick lunch break, snack break, whatever you want to call it. My lunch consists of only snacks because I'm kind of tired of thinking what to bring, burnt out and everything, you know. We're at that point. I also feel like dog crap, so normally I would be like moving around, walking or something. Not today. I have literally no motivation. I think I'm getting sick, and that's wonderful. But eating a quick snack while I wait for the grain cart driver to come over here so I can relieve him. He can go off and do his thing. So yeah, tuna salad, cheers. Well, that was cool for about half the pass until it got really dusty and I realized that was probably the dumbest fucking thing I could have done. Given that I don't feel that great. But he's giving me a ride because I put the grain cart way over there. And my semi is way over here. Now when I come back with an empty semi, I'll obviously put it closer, but these are a lot of 5-acre fields kind of scattered all about. So get a little workout in, maybe the movement will knock some of the crap out of my lungs or whatever this is that I'm feeling. But it was really cool for a minute. that is a wrap on 2025 corn. So now we're gonna blow the head off, or my brother's already blowing the head off. I'm gonna oil it, get it on the trailer. I'm gonna load a customer up with some seed wheat and go get the grain cart from the field and probably go home and have supper. Yay. So just turned the leg off because the pit's empty, it's all cleaned up. And now I'm gonna flip the fans on to run for a little while this evening, maybe all night, because I'll probably forget. I'm not coming back to town, so I will forget to remind anybody to turn them off, but that's okay. Flip the fans on and then go home and see